Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the packed scene resource for the scene you want to switch to. Preload, res//my scene. TSCN is ideal because it compiles at load time. Once done, assign that packed scene to a variable or an auto-load singleton so it's available anywhere. This avoids file path string problems and makes your scene change deterministic. Make sure to avoid creating an instance now. The scene tree can accept the packed scene directly when you call the scene change. You now call getTree. Change scene to packed scene and pass the packed scene resource object. This is the only reliable way to swap the root scene without manual node juggling. Once invoked, Godot will unload the current scene and load the new one using that packed scene. If you need to preserve data, transfer it via a singleton or use call deferred to queue adjustments. Make sure to stop audio tweens or physics processing if they should not persist through the transition. Finish by confirming the new scene initializes properly. Your ready callbacks run and nodes are present. If the scene fails to appear, first ensure the packed scene variable references a valid resource and that the file path is correct. Preloads will expose errors at load time. If objects persist, review auto-loads or nodes added to the root that weren't freed. As a troubleshooting tip, enable verbose prints around change scene to catch exceptions and missing resources quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.